frosty beer is poured using a bottom-filling clip-on apparatus. A handless dirt leveler hops into place to pulverize the earth flat. Custom welded beam scaling shoes rely on counter tension for climbing. Grinding blades rotate in opposite directions to strip and extract copper. Tractor-like machine carves out and creates a cement water duct. More. Nail gun is artfully used to create a stunning image of an elephant. Two walls of a blow mold machine converge on a molten tube to form a boat. Mortar is shoveled into an automatic plastering machine for a smooth finish. Construction dividers are rapidly relocated with a guiding arm attachment. Excess pavement gets cut off to form a clean edge. Three arms carrying 3,000 psi squash down on aggregate to form bricks. Drawn out into a square by passing through a roll-forming machine. With a tiny radius is used for the finishing cut on a chess piece. Arms come in from different directions to shear and spin a metal coil spring. Mattress is compressed into a pancake and rolled up for easy shipping. Spray pipes are elevated using hydrogen-filled balloons to avoid seedling damage. An oscillating arm with sharp claws excavates old stumps in just seconds. Is quickly threaded using a mechanical spiral binder. Then sprayed into the rebar.